What's up, everybody? Russian Puppy is here. We are on the Windows 8. I'll be teaching you how to draw Russian Puppy using Paint. First thing you want to do, you want to get this rounded rectangle up here. Make it about this size right here, somewhere around there. Make you a little, have that stuck out a little bit on the top. Bring this down. Make it a little longer of a rectangle. Alright, then we're going to have to do the hardest part of all. The size 3, the thickness here. Start a little bit over here. Don't start all the way to the left, but yeah, a little teeny bit off. Make it more realistic. And then you go down. And then yeah. Well, that sucks. Let's try again. Alright, here we go. Looks kind of, yeah. We can work with this, okay? Here we go. Okay. This is ugly. Alrighty, let me try one more time. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna make the eyeballs. Ooh, don't make them that big. Gotta keep about this size. Yes. No, I'm doing it for Halloween. The nose. Beep. And the mouth. Alright, that's how you draw it to be. Suck my dick and I'll see you later. No. Yeah, we got to do a better job of that, so.